Get her cooking. What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to Griddle Grub. Today we are making some grilled chicken sandwiches. Marinated this stuff last night, so let's jump in. I did record how I did that, the stuff I used and everything, so let's jump into that and we're going to get going. Alright, so here's the chicken right here. This is 1.8 pounds. Let's just move that up out of the way for a hot second. This is a 1 gallon Ziploc bag. I got it turned inside out. So we're going to put some soy sauce. Now I eyeball this. This is about a little bit more. That's about 2.5 tablespoons. Right here we got chili garlic. I don't know if you can see that. This is, I'd say, 3 tablespoons of that. Just going to dump that in. We got some honey. Some cheap real honey. We're going to put about 2 tablespoons of that. We got garlic powder. Got onion powder. Alright. Boom. That's our marinade right there. Let's just set that aside for a hot second. Let's pull this chicken back in. Alright, now what I'm going to do is just get some slices in here diagonally. Get that one out of the way a little bit. Not going all the way through. Just want to do enough so that these juices can get in there nice and good. And I'm going to come back the other way. Boom. Flip it over. You can do the same thing if you want. On this thick side, I definitely want to. Make sure we get it nice and good in there. Oh, we lost a piece. That's fine. Throw that in there. Boom. There you go. Just like that. That's one of our chicken breasts. Just going to plop that right in the bag. Alright. I'm just going to seal it up. Now, before I put it in the fridge, I'm going to get most of this air out of here, but I'm just going to leave it in there for now so I can mix it up real good. Get it all over. See, now you see it? Oh yeah, getting all up in there. Alright, we got the griddle up to temp. So what I'm going to do, let's get some oil down first. Get that turned up. Spread them around. Alright, now let's cut this open. Use some skizzers. Cut around open. So here's one of them. Boy, look at that. There's the second one. Buddy, all this extra juice, we're going to use that too. Get her cooking. Alright, so I got these on. Now I forgot that I wanted them to be kind of close together because I'm going to throw the dome on. Just because these things are kind of thick, so I want to make sure that they're going to cook right and cook all the way through. So we're going to leave them under there for a few minutes. I got these 2 burners on high. The griddle was on about 415 when I put them on over here. These 2 are, or this one's, you know what? I'm going to put this one back on. We're going to keep these 2 on low because when I flip them, I'm going to put them over here so I can clean this spot, get it nice and good for some toasting of the buns, which actually, let's check out the other ingredients. So here's the bun we got right here. I forget what it's called. A nice good size. And got some mayo on there ready to toast that up. We got some homemade coleslaw right here. I got all that in the description below. This stuff is amazing. And right here, we got some pickles. Some stackers. Alright. There's what we got right now. Ooh, buddy. Alright, so we got these things flipped. They're looking delicious. Now, I'm going to take the juice. Ooh, buddy. Add that marinade on there. Let her cook. Oh, yeah. Just let her go. I'm going to cover them up for another couple minutes. Barely fits. Alright. Let them go. Check back in another couple. See how it looks. Alright, let's see how we're looking over here. Boom. See, that's what I'm talking about right there. Alright, so we're at 145 right now. I'm going to let these things go for another few. Ooh, this one's jumping up though. We're almost 150. Never mind. So yeah, let's let them go for a little bit. I'm going to leave them uncovered now because I got what I'm looking for them to be mostly cooked through. So yeah, we're just about there now. Alright, we're at 170. Oh yeah, we're ready to eat. Alright, I'm going to kill this. Check on our buns. We need more on that. Alright, we're going to let these things cook up a little bit, let these things chill. We're going to build. Alright, let's put this sandwich together. Boom. Take this. Right there. And the coleslaw. Buddy, look at you. Boy, oh boy. This looks amazing. Oh, that chicken is done perfect. I kept an eye on it because I did not want that thicker part to overcook. You know, if you don't smash a chicken breast down, the thicker part is going to take a lot longer to cook, obviously. So the thinner part, that was at like 195. So that's going to probably be a little dry. But the coleslaw, which my mouth is watering thinking about, is going to help juicing that up a little bit. So, oh boy, I got a little bit of the juices on my fingers from this chicken. And, I'm ready. Oh. That is perfect. She's a messy one. That is good. So good. Now, when you cook this kind of chicken like this with that kind of marinade I did, when you flip the chicken, it leaves a thick, just crust on the griddle. So that's why I switch sides. So when I switch it, I scrape that thick crust off because I don't like the flavor of that. I always say to keep that, but for this, I don't like it. Now, I don't know, man. I'm going to get into my dinner. I appreciate you guys coming along. Hit that thumbs up if you like the video. Let me know if there's something you want me to cook. And we'll see you on the next one. Thanks.